Your KitchenAid stand mixer is a powerhouse, but its true potential lies in the attachments. With so many options like pasta rollers, meat grinders, and spiralizers, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This guide will help you pick the perfect attachment based on your cooking style, budget, and kitchen space. Let's transform your stand mixer into a versatile kitchen workhorse. The food grinder attachment is a game changer for meat lovers and meal preppers. It lets you grind your own meats for fresher burgers, sausages, and meatballs with perfect texture. Beyond meats, it can process nuts into butter or breadcrumbs. Easy to clean and store, it's ideal for those who value freshness and customization in their proteins. The Spiralizer attachment turns vegetables into low-carb noodles, perfect for healthy eating. Create zucchini noodles, sweet potato ribbons, or apple spirals in seconds. It's a must-have for gluten-free diets or anyone adding more veggies to meals. With 3 cutting blades, it offers versatility in texture from thick ribbons to angel hair thin strands. For homemade pasta lovers, the pasta roller set is indispensable. It rolls dough to perfect thickness for fettuccine, lasagna, or ravioli. The companion cutter attachments create various noodle widths. While it requires more skill than other attachments, the results surpass store-bought pasta. Ideal for those who enjoy authentic Italian cooking at home. Let's compare our 3 featured attachments. The food grinder excels in protein preparation, but has limited other uses. The Spiralizer is perfect for healthy eating, but less versatile for other tasks. The pasta roller is specialized, but requires the most skill. Consider your cooking frequency for each task. If you make pasta weekly, it's worth it. If monthly, maybe not. The Flex Edge beater is a baker's dream. Its flexible edge scrapes the bowl continuously, ensuring no ingredient is left unmixed. Perfect for cakes, cookies, and thick doughs, it eliminates the need to stop and scrape. While not as flashy as other attachments, it's a workhorse that improves every baking session. A must for frequent bakers. The ice cream maker attachment brings frozen treats home. While not an everyday item, it's perfect for summer or families. Make custom flavors without preservatives. Think fresh fruit sorbets or rich custard bases. Requires pre-freezing the bowl, but delivers restaurant-quality results. Consider this if you entertain often or have children who love homemade desserts. Kitchen real estate matters. If space is limited, prioritize attachments you'll use weekly. The food grinder and spiralizer stack neatly while the pasta roller takes more space. Consider your cooking habits. Buy what you'll really use. Store attachments in original boxes or labeled bins for easy access. Remember, unused gadgets waste both space and money. So which attachment should you buy? For meat enthusiasts, the food grinder. Health-conscious cooks, the spiralizer. Avid bakers, the Flex Edge beater. Pasta lovers, the roller set. Entertainers, the ice cream maker. Consider your cooking style, frequency, and space. Start with one versatile attachment and expand as needed. Your KitchenAid's potential awaits.